Redefine what stability and versatility means in your workshop with the Masca M1 aluminum pocket hole jig system, the toughest pocket hole jig on the market. Featuring a full body aluminum frame and hardened steel drill guides, it's built with durability in mind. Its all metal construction ensures a tough and heavy duty pocket hole jig that's meant to last a lifetime, and also feels sleek to the touch. The M1 gives you the ability to drill pocket holes with advanced hole precision. You can create perfect pocket holes, repair wood joints, and accurately pre-drill pilot holes at the right angle before connecting wood boards using the Masca M1 pocket hole jig. With the included dust spout connector, you can easily capture loose debris, particles, and sawdust while creating your pocket holes to reduce allergens in the air for dust-free drilling. Each pocket hole jig kit features an easy drill depth knob to quickly adjust to the thickness of the wood, avoiding damage, splinters, or splits. The included drill depth knob allows you to quickly set the stop collar on your drill bit to ensure proper drilling depth on materials from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/2 inches. The Masca M1 pocket hole jig system can also be easily converted to a portable pocket hole jig for use on larger stock or on the job site to make quick pocket holes. Our pocket hole jig system also features a T-track slot on the underside of its body. Clamp down our jig system to any surface, obstruction-free with any fitting track saw clamp. Setting up the Masca M1 pocket hole jig for use is quick and easy. The integrated thickness scale allows you to quickly see the thickness of the material you're using, in this case 3/4 of an inch. Using that measurement, you will set the drill guide block to 3/4 of an inch. Then using the drill depth knob, set the collar on your drill bit to 3/4 of an inch. Then adjust our micro adjustable clamping system to the desired pressure. You're now ready to drill pocket holes into 3/4 inch material.
Perhaps the most common use of the combination square is to mark a straight line perpendicular to the edge of a board. The tool also makes it simple to draw lines parallel to the edge of a board. Moving the head a set distance will create multiple lines that are spaced an equal distance apart. Using a combination square makes it quick and easy to lay out a rectangle with specific dimensions. Or mark a continuous line around 4 sides of a post or beam for accurate cutting. Power miter saws are great work and time savers. However, they can go out of calibration, producing crosscuts that are not precisely 90 degrees. The combination square can be used to verify and, if necessary, recalibrate the saw and to check the resulting cut. Even though most table saws have stops at 90 degrees, these can be inaccurate because of dirt, dust, wear, and incorrect adjustment. Performing a check with a combination square ensures the blade is perfectly perpendicular to the table.
The drawer slide jig from Craig makes it easier than you've ever imagined to build projects with drawers, which means you can create projects you might have only dreamed of before. That's because the drawer slide jig takes the guesswork and uncertainty out of installing drawer slides and makes it easier for anyone to install drawers that fit right and glide smoothly every time. The drawer slide jig does this by securely supporting the slide in the exact position needed as you install them in the cabinet. Plus, the jig supports the drawer boxes as well to ensure that the slides get installed on them with perfect alignment too. Whether you're installing drawers in a cabinet with face frames or in a cabinet or piece of furniture without frames, the versatile drawer slide jig clamps in place easily, and the jig works with ball bearing, epoxy coated, and undermount slides. Using the drawer slide jig couldn't be simpler. Built-in tabs register the jig's brackets in place precisely. Just align the tabs with the face frame and then clamp the bracket in place. This positions the bracket exactly where you needed to place the jig at the right height and does it without measuring, ensuring foolproof, level positioning of the slide. On frameless cabinets and cases, the process is still simple. The brackets register against the front edge of the cabinet and clamp in place at the layout line, sitting straight and level every time. Once clamped in place, the jig's brackets support the drawer slide completely, providing that third hand you've always needed to hold the slides in place. No matter how big or heavy the slide, the drawer slide jig holds it in straight and level, so you have both hands free to drive in the screws.